today we are doing the mobile concierge challenge.
Hello, my name is Cody.
My name is Joshua.
And my name is Arash, and we are Cajamon. And together we built something that basically gamifies your experience from the second you step into the airport, the second you leave for your flight, and all the terminals in between. So to begin, I'm going to talk about this guy, my dad. And he loves leaving for the airport 3 to 5 hours before the flight actually leaves. And for me, it kills me. I'm so bored in the airport, and as a child, I was not a happy camper when this happened. I would have tantrums, I would cry, I would go crazy, and it's all because I was so bored. And even now, 23 years old, I'm still bored, and whenever I go to the terminals, I end up in this weird like selfie explosion type situation where we just take selfies in the terminal because we're so bored. Again, but with Cajamon, we're making this time really fun and a really good way to interact with your surroundings and your terminal around you. So let's play. So Cajamon doesn't actually stand for anything, honestly. It just is the first letters of our names. And it's based off of Pokemon, so that's where the Mon part comes from. And the three aspects of it is you're able to explore the terminal with your iOS device. You're able to fight Cajamon whenever they appear. And based off the victories, you're able to get localized rewards from the merchants around you in the terminals. So let's bring it to life and just show the demo of how that works.
So here's young man, noticing that he has a few hours to spend, and went out and played Cajamon. So what's actually going on right now, as he brings out the app, is as location services updates, there's a possibility that he could run into a Pokemon battle. And this overlay we actually designed for Terminal 2.
Game mode is very similar to the actual Pokemon games. We have your default Pokemon or Cajamon, and you have 4 abilities with increasing damage, but also increasing chance of damaging yourself. And we also have a lot of Cajamons running around the terminal, each with their own set of abilities and each with their own set of damage counters. So as you run around the terminal, you'll find different ones to fight, and each ones are very different, have different difficulties. So yeah, as you can see here, it's actually quite difficult to beat them. You have to try to sometimes you'll lose, and if you do beat them, they'll show you a coupon to one of the nearest stores where you've actually found the coupon, where you found the Cajamon, in this case Starbucks.
Yeah, and I would just like to add that we're using the SFO API to, and also using the phone's coordinate system, we're using the SFO API to track the nearest stores and then bring the data onto the web. And then after that, you can see the dashboard and then the Pokemon that you.
Cool. And to bring it all together, for the airports, this is a way to generate business, and in the future we're going to provide data analytics so they understand, which rewards are working for their customers. And on the business end, or on the customer end, it's fantastic because we get savings. But more importantly, we get a really cool way to work with our surroundings and have fun in the airport. So yeah, thank you for your time, and be happy to answer any questions now.